Welcome to episode number 2. As mentioned on the ground floor, I am not doing much of interiors. It is the basic work which is going to happen here. That is, you see here, this was old quota which was already there. So I am just repolishing that quota because there is some technical installation of a crane and some equipments with regards to my client's principal work. So it is only the quota polishing, electrification and painting which is going to happen on this floor. Also, this is the workshop, or this is the main floor on which the technical uh, work of my client is going to take place from. So it's not much of a makeover or a renovation thing, hence I'm just sharing that in short. So, well, now going ahead on the first floor, this is the proposed corporate office of my client, which which consists of a store area, conference cabin, a conference room rather, the main MD cabin with seating capacity of 2 persons. Then the reception followed by a pantry and a big store area with a washroom. So we have just started with the primary alignment of the brickwork, and stay tuned for more such updates. And if you resonate with my content, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.